Hello friends, my name is Pradyuman Kumar. We are going through the worst condition nowadays. You know the reason? This is just because of COVID-19, coronavirus, and this virus has affected the whole world. If you talk about of our own country, we have the fourth largest COVID-19 affected people in our country, and there are some states in our country which are commonly affected. The government is taking every step just to help the people. Now we are in unlock one stage. Means many sectors have been opened now. But I just want to draw your attention towards one sector, which is the education sector. You know, education is a very important part of our life. Our children are stuck at home. All the education institutions are closed. Whether it's the school, colleges, or coaching, everything is closed. The students, the children are compelled to stay at home. They are given online education. Some of the students are getting education through online, but the fact is that only I think 30% of the students are getting online education. So what about rest of the 70% students? And today actually I have come to talk to you on a very special topic, which is about the private teachers of this country. I'm also a teacher, so I know the problems faced by the private teachers during these days. All the private teachers are they are stuck at their home. They have nothing to do. The government has opened all the sectors except education sector. And the private teachers, they have no money, they have no work, they are staying at home. You can say that they are just unattended. The government is not doing anything just to give them some relief. And many of the private teachers are they are just committing suicide. I know many of the teachers who have lots of responsibility, who have their families, who have their children, who have to look after children. They have all the basic needs, and they are just unable to fulfill their needs. And see, they are just private teachers, they cannot do anything except teaching these students. So they are just jobless, and whether it's the government or the society, nobody is giving any kind of relief to those teachers. So that's why I was saying that many of the private teachers are committing suicide. And many of us are planning, we are just compelled, we don't have any other options. What can we do? So I request you all just to raise a voice against all the private teachers. Let the voice reach to the government, and let the government know the fact, the things, the problems which the private teachers are facing nowadays. And I would like to request the government to the state and the central government to just give some package to the private teachers so that they can survive in this crucial period. And I would also request to everybody, just watch around you if there is any teacher and if he or she is in need, and if you can help them, please do it. Because it is truly said that a friend in need is a friend indeed. मतलब जो मुसीबत में काम आए वही सच्चा दोस्त होता है. So I would like to request you all. So don't let everything on the government. If you can do, if you can help the people, please do it. क्योंकि इससे बड़ा कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है. And I would request all the teachers. See, if you are staying at home and just waiting for the government relief that the government would do himself for you, so it's not going to be possible. You would have to come out of your house, you would have to come and protest against this injustice. Only then the government will listen and will give something to you. So this is what I have to say. I hope this message will awake every of the teachers, and this message will reach the government. The government will take some actions. Thank you so much.